Okay. I've got a question.
Yeah.
Look, that's different to that one.
Yeah, that's a double.
Double what? What are they called?
That is a... I hate it when I have senior moments. It's a...
You've been off the bike too long.
I have.
You need to get back on your bike.
I do. It's a dahlia.
See? Mention biking. Memory comes back. How do you know what time of year it is? The panthers.
That's right.
They're coming out.
They are. It's very
How do you
pretty.
know what time it is?
Jacaranda.
Over there. Well, follow the finger. Follow the finger.
Jacarandas.
How do you know a Darcy Doyle? Lord,
Yes,
neighbours.
we're very fortunate, aren't we, dear?
Happy retirement person?
Are you retired?
No.
I didn't know that.
No, you're not. I'm not.
It's the ever-present tension in the system. Am I retired or aren't I today? Well, it can vary from day to day, can't it, my love? Thank goodness we have motorbikes to ride.
To sort the question out.
Yes. Motorcycle therapy. We highly recommend it. So this is our base camp, and we are looking after and loving our base camp, because any good adventurer needs a base camp, don't they, dear?
Otherwise,
yes, that word's you gotta have a base camp, or having adventures is much harder. We sometimes think, do you sell it all and just ride? And we always come back to no.
so fun.
We could not do this without our base camp. Well, what's this? Just having our riding time while we can.
Oh, by the way,
Yes, dear.
my watering day.
Oh, it's Steve's watering day. Steve doesn't want you to think he's wasting water. And it's tank water. And Lord knows Australia has had enough water recently to last us quite a while. But it'll be drought again soon. Don't you worry. Next time we do a big lap, we could be dodging roos. La Nina years, no roos. We went round Australia and never saw a single kangaroo leap across the main road. How about that, eh? Our heart's coming along well, isn't it? What? What are you doing? You're peeing on our heart. Good morning, dear. It's very early. It's 7 o'clock. I've actually been awake a bit. Because today, Anthony and Cleopatra are going to the doctor.
Yes.
First service for Tony, second service for Cleo. Good morning, Tony. Morning, Cleo. 7:30. We're actually on time. It's good, eh? Let's go. Good morning, dear. I forgot to press GoPro. Oh, my tyre pressure at the front says it's down. Go?
Yeah, okay. That's the alarm.
Yes, dear. I know it's the alarm. Shouldn't I check that? You're going. Fine.
No, doesn't matter.
Roger that. Did you bring your GoPro, John?
Yes, darling. Late now, I forgot, no.
No, just turn left up there. It's Cleo this morning. Hello, Darl.
No,
It's Cleo this morning.
fine.
Fine, good. You definitely ride faster on Cleo than you used to on Cooper. Zip around on it, puppies.
Better bye.
10,000 service.
Yep.
Inspection of the tyre pressure monitoring system. It's not working at the moment.
No.
We've got the right hand mirror to go on it, and we're just going to do obviously a general check over of the bike. And
That's an Explorer, I think. Big boy. Righto, Anthony and Cleopatra. Did you say I'm very visible?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he is. You know, it's lovely to ride. I'm just doing my best in the mornings. What do you reckon about that, Stevie? What are you going to do? No idea. Anyway, we have all day here. We're not going to do. I've got a backpack on, so that means my vlogging might be happening. Finding a coffee shop. So yeah, it could be a long day. Let's wait and see. Busy road, eh? It's a very busy road. Every time I have a cheese and ham toastie now, it reminds me of cockle biddy, which is the all-time best toastie in Australia. What do you reckon? So when we want to get Anthony and Cleopatra serviced, this is going to be the new normal. Anyway, I'm doing a nice reframe that I need practice in city traffic anyway because it makes me nervous. Oh, look at all the bikes.
I haven't got my hat in my bag.
Oh dear, where's your hat?
Oh, I left it behind.
Oh dear, well it's inside then, eh?
What's this one?
Explorer?
It's 1200.
1200.
Drive shaft.
This is the colour of my old bike, except it's a newer one. So is this an 800?
It's an 800.
Hello. Bikes are ready already. It's only 11:30. Alrighty, so bikes are ready a bit earlier than we thought. So we'll just head up the road to Black Soil for our traveller. So Tony's got a new sand plate and new adventure pegs, and his brakes were very spongy. It was not my imagination. The brakes were definitely spongy. So we'll see how they go this time.
I'll be cutting it fine.
How much gas you got in your tank? 60 something. It's 36 kilometres to the Black Soil BP.
Fuel low, 46 kilometres.
46? Geez, you will be there on fumes. Ooh. Okay, Tony, let's see how you feel. Righty, up to you, bubbies.
Yeah, I've got a mirror that doesn't wobble.
Nice change that must be.
This says I've got 34 kilometres range.
Nice going up, 58. Probably go up, do you? Because it would take a test ride.
Yeah. Well, I've still got 2 bars.
Yeah. Make it to Black Soil, Dale?
Well, I've got 20 Ks.
Yeah, you've got enough. You've got extra. Not 20 k's from it, mate. How's your fuel anxiety, Dale?
Well, I'm about to beat my Autocustom fuel anxiety record. Yep, 9. I've broken it.
I don't know whether that's something to be proud of or not, do you?
I don't think so.
Whoa, there's our BP, baby.
Yep, 9 kilometres.
Here we are, dear. 33 k's. What you got on yours?
10.
Oh, lovely sand plate. It's lovely. Okay, thumbs up, doll. Ah, it's a 2 traveller day.
Yeah, one for you.
Oh, am I having one?
What you want?
Oh boy. Hello. Oh, you've ordered coffees already?
Yeah,
He is! That's the way boys eat. I'm waiting for mine to cool down. What's the milk?
Probably hard.
Tony's showing off. Anyway, viewers, we decided to ride home via Esk, send it straight up the freeway. Nice day for a ride. 6.5 degrees. Go through Fernvale. How do I change what my thing? I just click right, don't I?
You have to get the joystick up.
Oh, up. Right.
Up.
Gotcha. Welcome to Fernvale.
I need to pull over
Why?
to check. My seat dropped.
Oh, that's good.
Oh.
Well, look, dear, pies, pies, pies. Old Fernvale bacon. That looks like a serious bake. The competition for food around here. Look, there's Barb giving it a run for its money. Beef.
Strange place for a crash.
Ew. How did that happen? Oopsie daisy. What's up, up there, safe? just noticed that the front wheel, when you're going 60 on a flat road, bounces up and down, which I find a bit disconcerting. Did you have that on Murph?
Yeah, both bikes. I've always noticed that.
Mm.
It's always just one of those things. And sometimes it's the road surface, it can be the gears, and it just goes.
Well, it went up and down a lot. That's all. I was like, oh, what's going on here? Anyway, I got a thirst. It's time for a beer, doll. It's so unlike the Goulds to feel like a beer after their ride. We rode 289 kilometres today. What do you got to say about that, Mr. Gould?
You're very close.
Cheers. Cheers, girls. Here's Charles. Oh, look, we've got company. Hey, Charles. Any reflections from today's ride, dear?
You soon lose your, it's like your riding fitness.
Yeah.
Getting back on riding 300 Ks feels like a big thing.
Yeah, it does.
Where on the road you get road fit.
You do.
And it feels a challenge.
Yeah. Good day, ready? See you on our next ride.
Which is where?
That's a very good question. I'll have to check the list.
Yeah.
But I am making a little series of vlogs on a trip to New Zealand we did in earlier in 2022. So there aren't any motorbikes featuring, but we do have a rather good time, don't we, dear?
Cracker.
A cracker of a time.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Yeah.
They might show up. Have a look. Alrighty. See ya.